Hello and welcome to this week's newscast from Power Engineering International. I'm Kelvin Ross. In this week's headlines, Swedish utility Vattenfall is blaming low electricity prices after it posted a substantial second quarter loss. The boss of Alstom has said that the deal for his company's acquisition by GE is poised to clear its final hurdle. ABB has won a $28 million substation deal in India, and work has started on a 1,200 megawatt coal-fired power plant in Vietnam. Swedish utility Vattenfall has reported a substantial second quarter loss this week, saying low electricity prices have put pressure on margins for conventional power generation. The company said its $3.2 billion impairment losses will force it to reduce its coal-fired power operations, as well as other measures such as the planned closure of its Ringhals nuclear plants. Chief Executive Magnus Hall called the loss a very negative development, but said it unfortunately reflects the world we live in. He said efforts to identify additional cost reductions are ongoing throughout the company, adding that Vattenfall aims to increase its customer focus and generate more of its power from renewable sources. Alstom Chief Executive Patrick Cron said this week that the deal for his company's acquisition by GE is set to clear its final hurdle. He said the $13.8 billion deal, which would be GE's biggest acquisition to date, is likely to pass the European Commission's anti-competition review, adding that the two companies have obtained unconditional clearance in most of the countries where they operate. He said he had strong confidence that the deal would close in the coming months. GE boss Jeff Immelt also expressed confidence last week that the deal will hit its target closing date of early to mid-September, adding that GE's latest proposal addresses EU regulators' concerns while maintaining the deal's strategic rationale. India's leading transmission company has awarded a contract worth around $28 million to ABB for the extension of 3 substations. The transmission company, Power Grid Corporation of India, aims to reinforce the grid to help meet growing demand for power in the states of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab, which make up a significant part of the country's agricultural belt. ABB said it will extend 2 of the substations which use gas-insulated switchgear and upgrade a 3rd substation from air-insulated to gas-insulated switchgear. The company said its solution will enhance grid reliability while minimising the substation's footprints, life cycle costs and environmental impact. Construction has started on a 1,200 megawatt coal-fired power plant in Vietnam's southern region. The $1.7 billion Vinh 1 plant is being built by China Southern Power Grid, which owns a 55% stake in the project, along with China Power International Development and Vietnam National Coal Mineral Industries. The project represents China's largest ever investment in Vietnam. It will be constructed under a 25-year build, operate and transfer contract with the Vietnamese government and is expected to be commissioned in late 2018. When completed, the plant is expected to generate almost 3% of Vietnam's power. That's all from us this week. We'll see you again soon. And don't forget to check out our website, e-newsletters, Twitter feed and LinkedIn group for more power industry news.